This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 16th of October. Our disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only, and I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, let's have a look at Solana first. Solana, obviously, we saw a bit of a pullback yesterday. It respected the 200 DMA. And we are well over the daily middle band. I've got the upper band at 161.34 and the 3SD upper band at 168.21. I'm not expecting to go over the 3SD upper band, but there's obviously plenty of room to the upside. No current negative divergence on the daily chart. We have got a weak 60-minute sell signal that's fixed and hasn't made target on the hourly chart. I'm not taking it that seriously. I'm expecting to see a retest of this high here at 161.73 in the fairly near future. So we shall see. All right, great. Let's have a look at the 15-minute chart where we've got no current negative divergence, and we're holding a pretty nice looking support trend line, which I've got currently in about the 154 area. Looking for that to hold ideally, but I don't think it would mean an awful lot actually if it broke. So we will see. All right, great. In that case, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is above the daily middle band and is heading for the main flag resistance, which I've got in the 69,200 area, I think. So waiting to see. Obviously, it could find resistance when it gets there, but sooner or later, this flag is going to breaking up, and it could well be sooner. Looking at the hourly chart, a weak RSI 14 sell signal is fixed there too and hasn't made target. It's already made this target. It's at the retest of 66.5k, and it's looking for higher targets, I think. 15-minute chart, no current divergence. We will see how it goes. Looking at Ethereum. We've got no current divergence. We've seen a very nice break above the 50 DMA and the daily middle band. This hasn't been as confident as the other two, but then I think it's got bigger problems longer term than the other two have. So we will see how that goes. But I am expecting to see more upside here. I'm wondering whether it can reach the 200 DMA, which I've got at the 3035, 3036 area. On the hourly chart, we've got another weak RSI 14 sell signal fixed. Again, it hasn't really delivered anything so far. 15-minute, nothing. So we will see how it goes. But I'm looking basically higher across the board here. Bitcoin is reaching a very important resistance target, which is this target here, this trend line in the 69,200 area. If that breaks, then that's got a target basically back up at a retest of the all-time high. All right, great. In that case, no questions. So I think that's a wrap. I'll have everything posted as soon as possible. I'll catch you guys later.